The wireless doorbell camera with battery-powered design and aosuBase Mini brings a strong combination of convenience, clarity, and smart home security features that make it a compelling option for modern households. Built with 2K resolution, the video quality stands out immediately by delivering sharp and detailed visuals, allowing you to clearly see visitors, packages, and any movement at your doorstep even in challenging lighting conditions. This higher resolution makes a noticeable difference compared to standard HD doorbells, especially when it comes to identifying faces or checking fine details in recorded footage. One of the key strengths of this doorbell camera is its completely wireless and battery-powered setup. Installation is simple and does not require complex wiring, making it suitable for apartments, rented homes, or any location where drilling and electrical modifications are not ideal. The included aosuBase Mini enhances the overall system experience by providing a stable connection point and smoother device management, helping maintain reliable performance in daily use. The camera supports 4 GHz Wi-Fi, which ensures broad compatibility with most home networks. While it does not rely on dual-band connectivity, the 4 GHz support offers stable range coverage, especially useful for outdoor placement where signal consistency matters more than peak speed. Combined with its efficient wireless design, the doorbell remains responsive for live viewing and notifications. Another important highlight is local storage support, which eliminates the need for mandatory cloud subscriptions. This gives users more control over their footage while also reducing long-term costs. Recorded videos can be accessed easily when needed, providing peace of mind that security events are stored safely without ongoing fees. In daily use, the motion detection system responds quickly to activity near the door, helping ensure that no visitor or delivery goes unnoticed. Notifications arrive in real time, allowing homeowners to interact instantly through the app. The overall user experience feels practical and reliable, especially for those looking for a straightforward yet capable smart doorbell solution. With its combination of 2K clarity, wireless convenience, local storage capability, and stable connectivity, this doorbell camera positions itself as a strong choice for anyone wanting smarter home security without unnecessary complexity or subscription dependence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.